Most people believe they're living completely separate lives. Your job, your problems, your decisions, completely yours. But what if that's actually not true? What if every thought you have, every choice you make, every action you take is quietly shaping the world around you? And what if right now the same thing is happening to you from people you will never meet? There's an idea that has existed for thousands of years. It's called the Law of Oneness. The Law of Oneness is the first law of the 14 laws of the universe, and it teaches this: everything in the universe is connected. Every thought, every action, every person, every event, all of it is part of a larger system. Think of it like this. Imagine a web. A massive web where every single thread is connected to another thread. Every person you interact with today is a thread. When something moves on one side of the web, the whole thing responds. You may not see it, you may not feel it immediately, but the movement happens. That is the law. That is how it works. Think about a time someone walked into a room, and before they said a single word, you already knew something was off. They didn't announce anything. They didn't have to. But the whole energy of the room shifted the moment they walked in. That is the law of oneness. Your emotional state does not stay inside your body. It goes somewhere. It touches people, which means theirs does too. Picture someone having a rough morning, running late, stressed, feeling like nothing is going right. And then a complete stranger, someone they've never met, holds the door open and says, "Take your time, I got you." That person smiles. Their posture changes. They get to where they're going and are a little kinder to the first person that they see. That person goes home in a better mood. They're more patient with their kids at night. And it moves through people that stranger will never meet. That is the law of oneness. That is what a ripple looks like in real life. Have you ever walked into a space, a house, a waiting room, a car after an argument, and felt the weight of what just happened right before you arrived? Nobody told you, but you knew. There's a reason people say you could cut the tension with a knife. It's because energy does not disappear when the conversation ends. It lingers. And you are sensitive to it, whether you know it or not, whether you want it to be or not. That is just the law doing what it does. Because once you understand that your energy matters, not just to you, but to the people around you, you stop making decisions unconsciously. You start asking a different question. Not, what do I feel like doing right now? But what am I contributing right now? Under this law, those are not small things. There are no small things. Every action is a thread moving through the web. Before you walk into your home, your workplace, a conversation, just check in with yourself. What am I carrying right now? Because whatever it is, the people around you are about to feel it. None of this requires perfection. It just requires awareness. And awareness is where everything in this series begins. I want to leave you with one question, not to stress you out, just something worth sitting with. If the people closest to you lived inside the energy you are carrying today, what kind of world would they be living in? That question is not about guilt. It's about awareness. And awareness is the beginning of change. This is the law of oneness, the foundation of everything we're going to cover in this series. If you enjoyed today's content, please drop us a like and subscribe to the channel and tune in for our next series on the law of vibration. Until next time, we'll see you later.